Good morning and welcome back to Maths class, children. Today we are going to start exercise 11.3 as already we have finished 11.2 exercise. Now let us start with 11.3 first sum. Make up as many expression with numbers as you can from three numbers 5, 7 and 8. Every number should be used not more than once. Only addition, subtraction and multiplication. What you have to do in this expressions बनाने हैं एडिशन सब्ट्रैक्शन और मल्टीप्लिकेशन के बेस पे एंड चिल्ड्रन एक नंबर को एक ही बार यूज करना है और ये नंबर कौन से लेने 5 7 8 8 वेरी सिंपल दे हैव डन फॉर यू देखो 5 प्लस 8 माइनस 7 दे first they have given the hint to you. Okay, then you see this one 5 minus, okay, 5 minus 8 minus 7, 5 into 8 plus 7. Any way you can make. Okay, first sum you will do yourself. Okay, same way because they have given the hint. Instead of this you can write here what you can do. जैसे 8 now you see इसकी जगह 8 plus 7 minus 5 you can make like that. Okay, and here 7 minus 8 minus 5 say so you can make. I have given you also the hint so you can make yourself these expression. Now question number second, which out of the following are expression with numbers only? Okay, x, y, a, b. What are these called? Variables. Okay, where in these expression these variables are not used, you have to find out. Okay, here y is there, so this is variable used and here also variable used. Okay, so this one C, expression with numbers only. This one expression with number only. Okay, and here variable used, here variable used, and here also variable used. Okay, so which out of the following are expression with numbers only? C and D with numbers only. Okay, identify the operation addition, subtraction, division, multiplication in forming the following expression and tell how the expression have been formed. Children, here addition, subtraction, addition, subtraction. So you will write in the A part there are four expressions and here multiplication 17 into y, that means multiplication. This here division, here again multiplication, here multiplication and addition. Okay, multiplication and subtraction. Here only multiplication, here multiplication and addition, both multiplication and subtraction. So you will write answers as I am telling you. The words that I am speaking you have to write in your notebook and you may check the answers will be given like that as I am telling you, teaching you. Question number 4. Give the expression for the following cases. First, 7 added to P and you will put the heading in your notebook and then you will write A. 7 added to P. 7 plus P or P plus 7. Both are correct. Okay. 7 subtracted from P. But here in this case P minus 7. This is only the possible. Okay. P multiplied by 7. P into 7, that is 7P. Then P divided by 7. P, this was C. P divided by 7. P upon 7. Then 7 subtracted from minus M. E minus M minus 7. Minus P multiplied by 5 minus P into 5. So how you will write in answer? minus 5p. This will be your answer. Minus p upon 5. Then minus 5p. This will be the answer. So I have explained you up to fourth sum. Now fifth one. Okay. Give expression in the following cases. 11 added to 2m. 11 plus 2m. Okay. First question, 11 plus 2m. This one A, then B, 11 subtracted from 2m, 2m minus 11. Then 5 times 2y, to which 3 is added. That means 5 times 2y, 5y. What is added? 3. 5 times y, from which 3 is subtracted. 5y minus 3. This is D part. Then y is multiplied by minus 8. What will be the answer? Y multiplied by minus 8. So what will be the answer? Minus 8y. Y is multiplied by minus 8 and then 5 is added to the result. Y is multiplied by minus 8. Y into minus 8, then 5 is added to the result, that means plus 5. Here how you will do? Minus 8y plus 5. So children, this is the way. Then after that, which one we have done? F we have done. Okay. Now G, H. Y is multiplied by 5. 5y. And result is subtracted from 16. So 16 minus 5y will be there. Y is multiplied by minus 5. Result is added to the 16. 16 plus here what was minus 5y. So this will be the answer. I hope you understood. Now question number 6. From the expression using t and 4, use not more than one number operation. Every expression must have t in it. Okay, so you have to, expression means addition, subtraction. So you will make yourself this expressions. These are the expressions, children, that we have made. Okay, now you yourself, you have to use these two and make the expression as we have done in the fifth sum. From the expressions using y to, and here in this you have to use these. So I hope you will do yourself. So many expressions I have done for you in the fifth and fourth question. So you will complete this exercise.